"Every rand or dollar counts," said the wise man. So get on a steering wheel of your finances as an individual. Everyone is a family member. Even if you are an executive of a large corporation, if you didn't master budgeting principle as an individual, you will struggle with budgeting for that organization you are running or you are leading. Remember, you can't give what you don't have. Hi, my name is Molen Mkuze, the Managing Director of Brendmo Chartered Accountants. Welcome to Brendmo Business Hub channel. Subscribe, like and comment or share this content. Today we are going to talk about family budgeting, so stay tuned. To start off, budgeting is the process of creating a plan for how you will spend your money. It's an important part of financial planning. It can actually help you reach your financial goals. Saving more money for your house, to buy your house, or for your early retirement. Budgeting can be challenging, but it's worth it in the long run. By following a few simple tips, you can create a budget that will help you reach your financial goal, both for your family and even your company. Okay, today I'm focusing on family budgeting. Family budgeting is the process of planning and managing your family's income and expenses. To create a family budget, you will need to start by understanding your family's income and the family's expense. This includes tracking all of the money that comes in, such as your salary, wages, money from investment or government benefits, as well as all money that goes out, such as housing, food, transport, childcare, education, and even entertainment. Once you have a good understanding of your family's income and expenses, you can start to develop a budget. This can be a simple process, such as creating a spreadsheet or using a budgeting app. The most important thing is to find a system that works for you and your family. Your budget should include all your family's income and expense. It's important to be as realistic as possible when creating your budget and to make sure that you are not overspending. If you are not sure of how much to budget for certain categories of expenses, you can start by tracking your spending for two or 3 months. Then you get a better idea of where your money is going. Once you have a budget, you will need to review it regularly and make adjustments as needed. Your family's needs and financial situation may change over time, so it's important to keep your budget up to date. I'm going to share with you 7 simple tips for family budgeting. Tip number one, involve your whole family in the budgeting process. This will help everyone understand the importance of financial planning and responsibility. You won't have a child to say, "I want this toy," when it was not on the budget. Tip number 2, set financial goals. What do you want to achieve with your money? Do you want to save for a down payment of a house? To pay off debts? To retire early? Once you know your goals, you can start developing a plan to achieve them within your budget as well. Number 3, live within your means. I think you have heard this statement. This means spending less money than you earn, right? It can be difficult to do that at first, but it's essential for reaching your family's financial goals. Number 4, make a budget. A budget is a plan for how you will spend your money. It helps you track your income and expenses so that you can make sure you are not overspending, which is a problem for many people. Number 5, pay yourself first. When you get paid, set aside a certain amount of money for savings before you pay other bills. This will help you build up your savings over time. Number 6, if you are not disciplined, automate your finances. Set up automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account and investment account. This will make it easier to save money and invest regularly. Tip number 7, remember to also budget for luxuries. Not luxuries, but for entertainment per se. So because if you don't include all the necessary costs or necessary expenses that you need to incur, and you are very strict with your money, you find out that you end up overspending and incurring costs or expenses that you didn't plan for. So in a nutshell, budgeting can be challenging, but it's worth it in the long run. By following these tips, you can create a budget that will help your family reach your financial goals. So budgeting is not an easy thing, like what I said before. as it requires a lot of discipline. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions about budgeting or you need even a template, please leave a comment below and get in touch with us. We have budgeting templates that you can actually utilize for your family and your business, so you can start budgeting. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more financial tips and business advice. See you in the next video. Bye.